Hey guys, I'm Ro. It's been a while since I've done a how-to video. Today I'm going to show you a really cool shortcut you can set up on your iPhone that makes a navigating task way easier. It's called Choose from Menu, and basically it lets you bundle up multiple actions into a single shortcut. So instead of opening a bunch of different apps, you just tap one shortcut and pick what you want from a menu. For today's example, I'm going to show you how to set it up so you can quickly locate food or gas near your location. And I'll also show you how you could choose whether you want to use the Maps app or Waze for navigation. All right. First of all, you want to open your Shortcuts app. Hit the plus sign on top. Okay, in the search bar, you want to type in Choose from Menu. Okay, for starters, let's rename this shortcut Food and Gasoline. Okay, where it says prompt, that's grayed out, we're going to put where to. Number 1, we're going to type in food. And here we're going to put, you can use little icons as well too. So we'll put an icon for gasoline there. Yes, I meant to say emoji, not icon. So now in the search bar at the bottom, we're going to type in maps. We're going to scroll down to find places. Grab that, put it under food. Where it says places, type in food. You're going to type in maps again. Open directions. Grab that, put it under there. Where it says local businesses, we're going to change that to, you guessed it, food. Okay, and in this example, you can use maps or you can use Waze. In this one, we're going to use maps, which is already there. So we're going to test it out. Now, when I click food for the very first time, it's going to give you this prompt to allow to run the shortcut. Click that. There's the food nearby locations. Let's pick one, Mega Burgers. There you go, driving directions. Okay, let's go back. And normally you can duplicate these and just drag them down here. But in this case, if you notice where it says food, it turned red. So it broke the link between those two. So we're going to get rid of this here. And now it's back to normal. So we're going to have to type it all over again. Type in maps. Find places. Drag it under the gasoline. Find gas. Type in maps again. Open directions. Drag it, put it under there. Local businesses. Type in gas. And this one we're going to use Waze. We're going to run the shortcut at the bottom. Hit gasoline. Allow. There it is. Pretty simple, pretty cool shortcut. This one I use a lot when I'm out of town. When I want to take lunch or something. I'm in an unfamiliar location, so I use this one quite often. So here's your shortcut tile. What you can do though is put it on your home page, like I do here, so where it's just quick to access it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Later.